Hey guys, I'm making black eyed peas. I've rinsed and sorted them. I have my turkey necks. I just rinsed those. So I'm going to boil those separately with my seasonings and an onion. And I'm going to boil my beans for about 2 minutes. So instead of soaking them overnight, you know, that's what you should do. You should soak them overnight and then rinse them and then cook them like that. I am going to do a quick rinse, a quick soak. Alrighty guys, my beans are boiling. I'm gonna let them boil for about 2 minutes. And I have my water in for my meat. I threw a little bacon grease in there because you know I gotta have bacon grease, that extra fat. I made bacon for breakfast, so I threw that in, put my meat in. I seasoned it already. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in there. Put a little extra water, get all that juice going. I don't know about you guys, but I am about quick and easy. I don't know if you guys are hip to these already chopped onions, but I'm gonna throw those in there. Throw half a bag in. Yeah, let that cook with my meat. These are some of my favorite seasonings. Anissa's secret seasoning salt. I love her blend. Put a little cayenne pepper on that meat, a little Cajun spice, and I threw in some garlic salt. So I'm gonna let that cook. I'm gonna give that a little spin, a little twirl, and let that cook for about an hour. Yes, it's 9:50 in the morning. I start my dinners early. You gotta start it early dealing with this big family. I got all these men. So I'm gonna put it on an hour. Actually, I put it on about an hour and 15 minutes because I like my meat falling off the bones. And I'm gonna save this water. That's why I use the big pot. And then after this has boiled for 2 minutes and sat for an hour, I'm gonna rinse it to get all that extra stuff off of it. So we don't be so gassy. I don't know about y'all, honey. Beans, good for your heart, but you know what I'm saying. The more you eat them, anyway, so I'm gonna let that boil. So I have it on low and it's let it cook for about an hour and 15 minutes. It's been boiling for about an hour and a half. And I know this is a tedious process, but I like to peel off all of the meat to separate it from the bone. I just hold it and scrape off the meat like so. Bam! Now take that, the bone, put it in another bowl. There you go. Get rid of the bone. Scrape it off. I'm about to eat this one. That one good. Yes. Nothing like that smoked turkey neck. Put all that meat. Put that back in the pot. Cause it's the same water. Grab another one. Scrape. Very tedious, but so worth it. My beans are gonna be so meaty, honey. Yes. Normally people use ham hocks. I don't like ham hocks because it's not enough meat to me. I like using turkey necks. Get all that meat, honey. Oh, just tedious. I got bare hands, but clean that bone, baby. So out of meat. How many more I got? 3. All right, get it, girl. I'm on a roll. Y'all see all that meat? Look at all that meat. So the juices and flavorings are already going to be in the water. Don't you just love to cook? Or maybe you're just the one that love to eat. Either way it go, honey. You know what they say about a way to a man's heart? It's through his belly. So if you don't know how to cook, I'm going to show you. I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you, girl. I'm going to teach you. Some of it is not worth the struggle, but I got most of it. How much more? I think this is the last one. Scrape. It's like a claw. The claw. Yay. me just check. Make sure it's gone. All that protein, get it all in there. All right, give it a good stir. Show you what it looks like inside. All that meaty goodness. Yay! I got a quick boil. I'm going to give it a little stir. Put salt in the water. So I'm going to let it boil for about 2 minutes. Alright, I turned the meat water on. I'm going to save the water. This is what the beans look like, all murky looking. After they've sat for about an hour or two. I'm going to rinse them. All that gas. Alright guys, you see all that meat rolling around in there while it's boiling. I'm gonna go here. Then I'm gonna reduce the heat and let it cook for about another hour. All right, guys, so I'm gonna put my 2 bay leaves in there. It's starting to boil. All right, I'm gonna put my 2 bay leaves. Gotta put some more onions, so I can put the rest of the onions in there. Okay, give it a quick stir. Stir all that goodness in there. Yeah. Size down. Okay, put a little more seasoning in there. Alright. Flavorful. A little garlic. And some more pepper. Okay, a little more pepper. Taste it, baby. A little more Cajun seasoning. I love this Cajun seasoning. It's hard to find that, honey. Had to go to Detroit and get that. Okay. Just a dab of salt. Not too much. About it. I would put some corn or some of the vegetables in there, but I don't need that because I'm making greens. Stir that and put that top on there and let it cook. See you in about an hour. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to make my cornbread. Can't have beans and greens without cornbread. I love Martha White. It's so quick. I told you I'm all about quick and easy. These are the only ingredients you need. Yay, got my egg. Got my cornmeal, my sugar, my oil, and my buttermilk. So if you're not up on Martha White, buttermilk, cornmeal, you should get on it. Alright, I'm going to throw these little 2 cups in there. I'm going to throw my 4th cup of oil, my sugar, and my buttermilk is next. Alrighty, put my buttermilk in. Awesome. Egg, right? Egg is next. Time for the egg. Alrighty, now we're going to stir it up. Give it a stir. Both sides real good. A little more buttermilk. Figure 8. That's my thing, figure 8. Give it a 12. Figure 8. All right, that's the consistency I want. Make sure. Yeah. Ooh, now let me get the pan. Check this out. Yeah. Heat it. Okay. Alrighty. Let's pour it in. This is how it should look. Because the pan should be very hot, alright? Should be very, very, very hot. Alrighty. See the sides rising. Alrighty, I have it on 400. And it should cook for like 8 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, so I have already made my greens, a big pot, and froze them. So they've been defrosted. I'm just gonna add some more water. Gotta break it up a little bit. That cooked down a little bit. Alright, let's check it out. Let's see what we got going on here. Ooh, just how I like it. Yes. That's what's up. Ooh. Get a clearer picture. There we go. Y'all see it. You see it. You see it. Let's check this one out. Here. Ooh. Yes, throw some butter on them bad boys. Uh-huh. Alright, butter. It'll be good in a minute. Get them thighs. 2 breasts for me and my husband. Kids getting a thigh. Right? You hungry, buddy? He said, oh, I'm sorry, I'm not allowed to do sarcasm. Right. Butter, butter, butter. Alright, let's flip this. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna get some new pans for Christmas. Alright, put some more seasoning on that bad boy and I'm good. Alright, you see it. You see it. Let that cook a little while longer. My finished product. Yay! Hope you guys hungry. Some tomatoes on deck. Onions. Yay! Enjoy. I gotta make the baby's food. Have a good day.